not much energy at the end there, huh? I'm gonna redo that though. Yo, what is it? Okay, too much. Okay.
Right that.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's Steeze, and I'm gonna teach y'all how to do a JohnnyF trick shot on Modern Warfare 2, or IW4X is the client I play on. JohnnyF is a trick shotter from back in the day. He might still trick shot, not exactly sure, but he created his own trick shot called the JohnnyF after himself, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that right now. Stick around to the end of the video if you guys want to see me actually hit this trick shot. It's really sick. Hope you guys like it, and as always, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, so to actually perform the JohnnyF, it's like super simple. You can do whatever combo you want, but make sure at the end of your shot to do the JohnnyF, all you have to do is scope in, like you're gonna quick scope at the end of your shot, right? But then you're gonna YY and no scope. That's it. So left trigger, tap Y twice to like get it out of the scope, just like that, and then you'll shoot. I always recommend like reloading after you shoot, or you can pistol switch. It's really up to you. Depends on the combo you're going for. Either way, it looks pretty sick. Typically, if I'm spinning to the right, I will reload. If I'm spinning to the left, I will pistol switch. And holy shit, it's a nuke. Oh, 3 seconds. Oh, no. JohnnyF. I didn't even scope in. What if I hit that? All right, but yeah, we're gonna go for a couple attempts here. I'm just gonna do some random combos. I don't even know. I'm just gonna freestyle a little bit. We're gonna see what we come up with. Any of the combos that I do in this trick shot before I actually do the JohnnyF, there's probably a tutorial out for it on this channel. So make sure you guys go check out all my other tutorials. Pretty much have almost every single trick shot on my channel. So yeah, make sure you also subscribe. I upload every single Sunday. Looks like we're going Rust, which I am definitely down for. We're about to hit this first try. Let's go. Also, I'm doing all this live right now on Twitch, and as you're watching this video, I'm probably live right now. I stream every other day, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I don't stream weekends, but me and my girlfriend TOFTBOYS, we actually have a couples account where we stream on there almost every Saturday. Sometimes we're busy. Speaking of TOFTBOYS, make sure you guys go check her out too. Since I'm mentioning her in this video, I'm gonna leave all her socials down low in the description so you guys can go check her out. Crazy good content. She uploads on TikTok all the time, streams the same days as me, just a little bit like right after I'm done streaming, she'll go live. But now we're in the game, so let's see what we can come up with. I don't know, I like zoom loads a lot, so I might fuck around and try to do a zoom load. I don't know, I don't like that I have attack insert. I don't know why I have attack insert, but let's see. Oh, you know what? We're on bash servers right now. We got this menu, right? So I'm gonna do smooth action bind, and then I'm gonna actually reverse reload pre-cam on this Magnum. It looks super sick. A lot of people just will, you know, use their intervention, reverse reload like that. But nobody really thinks like you can do that with anything. You know what I mean? Like that looks sick as hell. So we're gonna try a little something like that. And I can't lie, I can't see nothing with these glasses on. Take a shot, Spaz, my boy. How you doing, man? Wait. Oh, it was so close, guys. But hey, this is how y'all do that JohnnyF, man. I did a little reverse reload, a little still swap, I think. I don't know, but still swap is already a video that I uploaded, so make sure you go check that one out too. Little JohnnyF at the end. All right, my reaction was garbage to that trick shot because I wasn't expecting to hit it, and he was super close. But this is all just for, you know, demonstration purposes, so you guys can actually see what it looks like in the kill cam. But that is how you guys do the JohnnyF. If this video helped you, please drop a like on the video, subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. I really want to hit 1K at some point. We are not anywhere close to that, but every sub counts, so it helps a lot. Also follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/Steeze. My girlfriend on TOFTBOYS, she's also streaming on Twitch. She's got a YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all of the things. Everything's gonna be down low in the description, so make sure you guys go check her out too. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope y'all have a good day. Peace. Oh, it was so close, guys, but hey, this is how y'all do that JohnnyF, man. I did a little reverse reload, a little still swap.